Hey there, English learners. Welcome to another episode of Learn English with Movie Clips. Today, we're diving into a funny line from Captain America, Brave New World, where we break down real movie dialogue so you can sound more natural, confident, and fluent in English. Ready to learn English the fun way? Let's jump into it.
You'll notice I did not die. And people are saying I did not die in style.
Hey English learners. Here's a cool line from Captain America, Brave New World, said by Joaquin Torres. You'll notice I did not die, and people are saying I did not die in style. Let's break it down.
You'll notice I did not die.
You'll notice. This means you will notice. It's used to point something out or draw attention. I did not die. Simple past tense, he's saying he's still alive.
And people are saying I did not die in style.
People are saying. This means others are talking about it, usually something being discussed a lot. I did not die in style. The phrase in style means in a cool, impressive, or fashionable way. So I didn't die in style means he survived. But even if he died, it wouldn't have been in a cool or heroic way. It's a bit sarcastic and funny.
Thanks, Ronnie, for that awesome breakdown. Now, let me give you some examples of how to use in style. Quick tip: we use in style when someone does something impressively or with flair. Here are some examples. She arrived at the party in style. He finished the game in style. That's it for today's lesson. Follow for more English learning through movie clips. Catch you in the next one.